What do people find comfortable? What is important to employees and occupants of a building?
Does it really matter if you have an extremely energy efficient, sustainable built environment if people aren't comfortable?
Only 15% of the cost of this company is the building, the power, the printers, the paper. 85% of the cost of this company is soft, it's people. And so if you want to move the needle for a company, oh, I can move your needle 5% on energy, or you want me to move it 5% on human performance? Building science went from largely focusing on things like building envelope performance and durability to go after things like health, happiness, keystroke error rates, eye strain, all the things that add up into the ultimate experience of the person in the building.
We came to understand that there are a number of things important, acoustics being one, thermal comfort is important, the lighting is important, and then the quality of the air is important. We have to remember that the building is here to provide a place to work and to work effectively.
You really have to create environments that are conducive to them enjoying what they're doing, enjoying their experience, and wanting to stay with the company to grow.
Last summer, I did an internship in a brand new building out in New York, in a high-rise building, and I was like, I'm never gonna work in a place like this ever again. And I come to Saint-Gobain to interview, and I was honestly taken aback by how nice this building is.
Oh, it's beautiful. It makes you so excited to come to work.
It's open, but you're not distracted because of how it's built.
I even sometimes just have meetings in the cafeteria. I think it's a great, bright space, even on rainy days like today.
It's just so much fun to work in a building that I'm so proud of, that we've had a part in helping to engineer and create a space great for our employees. And I look forward to learning more and continuing to advance.